Here you can see how I use a thread of the main yarn, of the main sleeve yarn. Just put it on the needle next to your letter needles, which are coming in the E position. I just put it around the first needle in this case, lilac part. Then the sledge is on the left side, and you do it on the first needle next to the letter or sign, whatever you are knitting, to close the hole. Then you go to the other side, do the same. You just take the other end around the first needle in the lilac part. And that you are doing all the way as long as you have letters in there or signs in there. You can use it for bigger motifs, or like a big heart right in the time now, Valentine's Day. I don't know. I think you got this as well. So I just want to help you a little bit with these tricks and tips in my films. This one is a short one, but I'm doing also films of bigger garments as well. So that's just a try. If you can understand my, how you say it, English, German, and English. So I hope you have fun with my films. I see you around.